In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a repeater from Wix Tweenolosing 26 guide. Repeaters in Wix are handy containers that display multiple pieces of similar information with a consistent style. Think team member cards, product highlights, or testimonial blocks. If your layout has become crowded or you've changed direction and no longer need a repeating section, removing a repeater is quick and safe when you know exactly what to look for. Start by opening the Wix editor for the site you want to work on. Log in, choose your site, and launch the editor. Give the page a moment to load completely. This prevents lag and helps the editor respond smoothly to your clicks. A fully loaded editor reduces the chance of misclicks or selecting the wrong element. Next, locate the repeater you want to remove. Look for an area with a group of boxes or cards that all share the same design, repeated in a row or grid. Click directly on that repeating area. The key is confirming you've selected the entire repeater, not just a single text box or image inside it. You'll know you've got the right element when you see a blue outline or selection box wrapping around the whole set. If items feel stacked or hard to grab, zoom in a little to separate overlapping elements visually. If your first click selects just one child element, click again on the outer edge until the blue outline moves to the full repeater. With the correct element selected, you can delete it in one of two ways. The fastest is the keyboard shortcut. Press the delete key and the repeater will be removed from the canvas immediately. If you prefer menus, right-click on the selected repeater and choose delete from the pop-up. Either method removes the repeater and its child items from the page in one action. If your repeater was connected to a data collection, this only removes the element from the page. It doesn't delete your underlying data. If you make a mistake, maybe you removed the wrong section or changed your mind. Don't worry. Click the undo button at the top of the editor or press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard to restore the repeater exactly as it was. Remember, nothing you do here is live until you publish. That means you can experiment, undo, and refine without affecting your live site. When you're confident the page looks the way you want, you can proceed to publish so the change appears for your visitors. And that's it. You've learned how to safely find, select, and remove a repeater in Wix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.